Hello! We are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the rotation. This is one more command similar to the previous one in the last lesson, where we saw the extrusion. For this rotation, the principle is the same. We have a profile as the start information to work with this command, and then we apply the rotation through an axis. So a very easy example, making something, starting with a profile, can be open or closed. Let us draw something very easy, graphic line to simulate something. We can create, or we should create, a couple of points to define the axis. In my particular case, I'm defining it on the origin, but it was not necessary to be like this. And now simply rotation. We have a couple of informations that we can give. So choosing the profile, choosing the points that define the axis. So this one, and we've got a preview of the shape that will be created. We have the Boolean operation mode available that works on the exact same way as we've seen for the extrusion. So if we have other solids, we can add this choice to the other solids. And we can control also the angle that will be done on this rotation. So if it's not 360, I can say something else. And the start angle can be defined also. Instead of the 0, I can say 45, and you see that the shape rotates. I can do a thin wall figure or not. Okay, if I say yes, inward or outward, so I can say something like this. And besides, I can give also in extrusion, I can define, for example, start and source and target, do a chamfer or a round with some value that I would say for now 5, and create. And something, it is done like this. So rotation, very easy and very useful in some particular situations, but very nice to add to your package of tools in 3D.